In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Notion login problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to do is ensure you have a stable internet connection by checking your internet connection. The other thing you're going to do is make sure that you're using the correct email associated with your Notion account and ensure that your password is correct, as passwords are case sensitive. If not, you might need to simply click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset your password. If you have 2FA enabled, enter the correct code from your authenticator app or email in order to fix this problem. You could also try using incognito or a different browser if you're using a browser. If you use any kind of VPN, keep in mind it is a big no. Simply go ahead and turn it off. You want to simply go to status.notion.co or so in order to go ahead and check if Notion servers are down or not. And if nothing works, simply go ahead and contact their support at notion.so_/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.